What's going on? Welcome back. Today is going to be a surprise track day. Going to a different track today, not my local one. We're going to Orangeburg today. So today I plan on turning up just a little bit. It is only an 8th mile track, but it's good for data coming up for the event that's next weekend at Streetcar Bragging Rights at my local track. So we're all loaded up here. We're about to hit the road. It's only about 45 minutes an hour up the road. And then we're going to unload. Track goes hot in about an hour, and then we'll go make some passes. So let's get it. We're unloaded. This track is pretty sweet. First time being out here. It is 8th mile, but there's literally no one here, so I'm gonna take advantage of it. Not changing the settings yet. Make sure the shakedown's good on the car. And then the track's a little hot. It's over 120 right now. So we're gonna see if what I have works. If not, we'll make changes and then add boost in later. So let's get in the lanes and make a look. Not bad. Figured it'd be down a little bit on power just because of the heat of the day. It's in the 80s, but let's take a look at that and try again. Mo better. I think he did too, but Mo better. All right, log looked good. So car got a little warm. I went ahead and let it cool off for a little while, and then now we're gonna go back up. I did turn it up a little bit. So we're leaving a little more, give it a little more, just because we're here. And the clouds come in, so hopefully the track's a little bit better, cooling off. So let's see what it does. Go for hopefully a new PB on everything, and be good to go. So let's get it. Tilt, because it's a street car.
Say bye-bye.
see if Josh doesn't spin or lift like he has. Switch on. All right, well, we were back in the garage. Unfortunately, we had to call it a day after I made my second pass because we had some storms coming in and had to get back home. Made it back just in time. It's now day after the event of the test and tune, whatever you want to call it. It was fun, nevertheless. Shout out to Josh for getting his Trans Am down the track. No issues for the most part. And getting that thing rolling, that was awesome to see. But this car ran a personal best. We pick up 2/10, turned up the boost just a smidge. Wanted to make sure the data was good, and it is. So I'm super excited for the event coming up this weekend. Make sure you come out and support and hang out. There's going to be so many cars. It's a full weekend packed here at Carolina Dragway, House of the Hook. So make sure you come to that. There is one flaw of the car, and it is a crack that this bumper has just seen better days. I did that one loading the car up. The strap broke and did that. So this bumper's seen some bumps and bruises. The hood's chipped. It ain't perfect, okay, is what I'm getting at. But I digress. I plan on putting a patch job on this because I think it has to do with it being on the brake and it shaking and all the little wheelies and whatnot. So a little patch up job for this weekend so we can keep the bumper, hopefully to last the season. Plan on getting a new one. Other than that, the car is back in its home. Gonna get a little love on, maybe an oil change, some spark plugs before we go racing. And I will be running in the classes this weekend at Streetcar Bragging Rights, the streetcar class shootout. There's like 64 cars, so that'll be about 6 rounds of racing. Saturday, I'm hopping in for some data. We're gonna turn this thing up some more and try to get another PB and run what you brung. So pretty much only classes I kind of fit in. But we're gonna try it, see what happens. Best of luck to everyone who's going, and hope to have fun. And make sure, get you guys some merch as well. Other than that, this has been awesome. I will see you guys later. God bless. Peace.